Hey everyone! If you're into 3D printing, you know things move fast. And right now, there's a ton of new stuff dropping for 3D printers that's worth getting excited about. First off, let's talk HO 10s. There are new all-metal HO 10s popping up that push temperatures even higher. Think printing with crazy filaments like carbon fiber nylon or polycarbonate without a hitch. If you've ever wanted to level up your material game, now's your chance. Next, auto bed leveling is getting smarter. Some of the latest probes are faster, more precise, and even work on tricky mirrored beds. No more fiddling with thumb screws and paper. Hit start, and your printer does the rest. And get this, there are plug-and-play upgrade boards now that just pop right in and give you silent stepper drivers, Wi-Fi connectivity, and all the bells and whistles, without a soldering iron in sight. Seriously, if you've been nervous about upgrades, these are a game changer. Filament sensors are getting sharper too. The new crop can spot jams, tangles, or even if you're running low mid-print, so you can avoid those gut-wrenching failures. Finally, slicing software is stepping up. Some new releases are using AI to optimize print settings automatically. You just drop in a model, and it figures out the rest. So yeah, if you've been waiting for the right time to upgrade, now's pretty much perfect. Let me know what you're most pumped about in the comments, and happy printing!